I am driving along Swinegate, which is in Hessle, in the East Riding of Yorkshire. It's Thursday the 19th of January 2023, and I have just left the free car park behind the co-op. I am going to Beverly, about 9 or 10 miles away. This road is Northgate. Sorry, I didn't see the water running down the windscreen in front of the camera. The car roof was covered in melting ice. I'll clear it soon. The next left is Trinity Grove. The road name now changes to Beverly Road. The next left, past the bus stop, is the entrance to Hessle Cemetery. The first exit at the roundabout is Swanland Road. The second exit, Beverly Road, continues. The third is Northome Road. The next right is Avenue Halcyon. The next left is Mount Avenue. Followed by on the right, Oaklands Drive. These pavements look icy, despite it being late afternoon. I wouldn't want to walk on them. The next left is Barrow Lane, with Pulcroft Road opposite. Coming up on the right, hidden from view by the white car, is Dean's Way. Ahead I will join Booth Ferry Road, the A1105. I move to the right-hand lane, as I will be turning right ahead. The next left is Hillcrest Avenue. The next left, where the Enterprise van is Elmswood. At the lights, left and right is Heads Lane. Next right is Wheelsby Way. At the roundabout ahead, left is the A15 for Lincoln, over the Humber Bridge. This has a toll fee of £1.50, payable by card only. They stopped taking cash. Straight on is for Leeds and the M62, also Gould. Right, and the way I'm going, is Beverly on the A164, also York. This roundabout gets very busy in peak periods, and best to be avoided if possible. It's mid-afternoon, and okay at the moment. Phew, I got rounded okay. I hate big multi-lane roundabouts. Beverly is 9 miles, or 14.5 kilometers. York, on the A1079, is 39 miles, or 62.7 kilometers. I will speed this bit up. There is nothing much to see. the roundabout ahead, we cross the B1231. Left is Swanland, right, Enlemy. I will carry straight on, staying on the A164. I had to wait a little while, so I cut it out. I'll speed the video up again. We will pass under West Ella Road. The roundabout ahead is Riplingham Road roundabout. Left, with a 7.5-ton weight limit, is Swanland. Right, Kirk Ella. Both on Riplingham Road. I will carry on the A164 for Beverly. I'll speed the video up again. The roundabout ahead is Willerby Roundabout. Left, and a no-through road, is Albion Lane. Right, is Hull and Willerby, on the B1232. I will stay on the A164 for Beverly. I had considered stopping here for petrol, but it was too expensive. Beverly is only 5 miles or 8 kilometers now. I'll speed the video up again. The roundabout ahead is Willerby Hill Roundabout. Right is a business park. I will stay on the A164 for Beverly. The roundabout ahead is Castle Hill Roundabout. Right is Cottingham. Also right is Castle Hill Hospital. I believe it's a big cancer hospital and there is no A&E there. Again, I carry straight on. I'll speed the video up again. We will pass under Mill Road, which leads to Skidby Mill. The roundabout ahead is Skidby Roundabout. Left is Skidby. Right is Cottingham on the B1233. Again, I carry straight on. I will speed this bit up. There is nothing much to see. The next left is for Walkington and Bentley, where that van has just turned down. I'll speed the video up again. At the traffic lights, left, is for York on the A1079. Also it's for Driffield on the A164, avoiding Beverly. I will continue straight on for Beverly. We are crossing the A1079. Right, at the traffic lights, is for Hull on the A1079. Beverly is straight on. Not far now to Morrisons. The next left is Victoria Road. This road, the A164, is now named Victoria Road. At the roundabout, right is Bridlington and Driffield. Straight on is Beverly Town Centre, with a 7.5-ton weight limit. Left is Victoria Retail Park, where Morrisons is. This is Wingfield Way. It's not just Morrisons on the retail park. There is a McDonald's also. A Halfords, which is a motoring and cycling products chain store. A B&M, a variety retailer. And there is the gym, if you want to get fit. But first, I need petrol. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Until next time, cheerio.